Are you interested in making money online? Have you ever considered the potential profits in Forex trading? Let's immerse ourselves in the fascinating world of Forex today. For those of you asking, what is Forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the marketplace for buying and selling currencies. It's essentially a vast international monetary bazaar with currencies as the merchandise. These currencies are typically traded in pairs, like the US dollar and the euro, or the British pound and the Japanese yen. Intrigued about how it functions? Forex trading is based on a straightforward principle: buying a currency at a lower price and selling it at a higher one. The price difference is where the traders make their profit. It's quite similar to the stock market, but instead of trading stocks, traders exchange currencies. Now, imagine this. You're a trader, and you believe that the value of the US dollar will rise against the euro. You decide to buy dollars and sell euros. If your prediction is correct and the value of the dollar does indeed rise, you can then sell your dollars for a higher amount of euros than you initially spent. Thus, you've made a profit. Forex trading operates around the clock, 5 days a week, which is one of its unique features. This is due to the global involvement in Forex trading, with different countries opening and closing their markets at different times. This means you can trade at any time, day or night. But remember, just like any other form of trading, Forex comes with its risks. Fluctuations in the market can lead to losses as well as profits. Therefore, it's crucial to educate yourself, employ sound strategies, and manage your risks wisely. Let's go over what we've covered today. Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for trading currencies. It works on the principle of buying a currency at a lower price and selling it at a higher one. The profit lies in the difference between the buying and selling price. Forex trading operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, due to the global nature of the market. But like any trading, it carries risks along with the potential for profit. It's essential to learn about the market, develop good strategies, and manage your risk effectively. And there you have it, a simplified introduction to the world of Forex trading. It's a vast and thrilling market full of opportunities and risks alike. But with knowledge and sound strategy, you can navigate this market and potentially make profits. Remember, the key to successful trading is understanding the market and managing your risks wisely. Happy trading!